Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope you all are fine and safe and sound at your home. First of all, I congratulate to all of you that you people are promoted from class 6 to 7. This is your geo book and I am your geo teacher. In class 6, you people have read geo book 6 and now in class 7 you have geo book 7. The writer of our geo book is Muhammad Asad Sethi. Before coming towards the course contents of our Geo Class 7 course, first of all, we should know what is meant by geography. As in your junior classes, you people have read about the definition of geography, that geo means earth and graphy means study. So, geography is the study of earth and its features. As you people know that the first topic in geo is always the world map. So similarly again we have the introduction of world map. First thing in world map is the location of continents and oceans. Before the location of the continents and ocean, first of all, we should know the definition of continents and oceans. That what is meant by continents, how many continents are there in the world, and what is meant by oceans and how many oceans are there in the world. Definition of continents. Continents are the major land masses on earth, or the large mass of earth is called continent. The seven continents are Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. These are the seven continents of the world: Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. Now, what are oceans? A very large expanse of sea or a large mass of water is called ocean. There are five oceans in the world: Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Antarctic, or it is also known as Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. The names of five oceans are Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, which is also known as Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water. Oceans hold about 96% of Earth's water supply. As we have to locate continents and oceans on the world map, so the first and main thing in the map is always directions. We have four cardinal directions. On the top we have north, in the bottom we have south, right side we have east, and left side we have west. We have many sub directions, but the four are the main cardinal directions, and these are the directions which you people have learned from your junior classes. So I hope you people, all of you, should know what is meant by directions, how many directions are there. Once Once again, on the top we have north, in the bottom south, right side we have east, left side we have west. Always keep this thing in your mind that without direction the map is incomplete. Either you have world map or Pakistan map or South Asia map, whatever the map is, the first thing is always directions. First of all, we will locate the oceans. I hope you people understand the definition of ocean. You know that we have five oceans. So, the first ocean is Arctic Ocean. This is the location of Arctic Ocean. Here on the top we have Arctic Ocean. So it's up to you that if you want to write Arctic Ocean on left side or either on right side. The full area is Arctic Ocean. Now the second is the Pacific Ocean. In World in Facts we have read that the largest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. Now Pacific Ocean we have on east and also in west. Pacific Ocean you may write it on the west side or on the east side, and it is also the largest ocean of the world. Then the third ocean of the world is Atlantic Ocean. This is the location of Atlantic Ocean. Then the fourth ocean of the world is Southern Ocean. This is the area of the Southern Ocean. This is all the area of Southern Ocean. Then the last ocean of the world is Indian Ocean. Look at the location of Indian Ocean. Here you have to locate Indian Ocean. Again, the first ocean of the world is Arctic Ocean. On the top, the whole area is of Arctic Ocean. Then Pacific Ocean on the east and also on the west side we have Pacific Ocean. Then here in the bottom, this whole area is of Southern Ocean. Then this is Atlantic Ocean location, and here you have to locate Indian Ocean. I hope you people understand the location of oceans. Now we know that there are 7 continents in the world. What is continent? A large piece of land. The colored part is the continent. Now, if you know the directions, if you know that on the top we have north and in the bottom we have south, so it will be easy for you to locate North and South America. This whole part which is having red color is North America. This is the Greenland. It is also included in North America. This is the location of North America, and here this yellow part is South America. This is North America, the red color, and the yellow color is South America. One more thing about North and South America is that these both continents are the non-Muslim continents. Now come to Antarctica. This is continent Antarctica location. Antarctica is dead continent where no human being live. Antarctica, it was the last continent to be discovered. It is the highest, coldest continent on the earth. The coldest recorded temperature of Antarctica is minus 89. Now, the green color shows the continent Asia. Continent Asia is that continent where most of the people live. It is the largest continent of the world. And our country, Pakistan, is also located in continent Asia. With continent Asia, we have continent Europe. And there are 5 countries which are located in these two continents, continent Europe and continent Asia. Then in pink color we have continent Africa. Continent Africa and continent Asia, these two are the Muslim continents. And in continent Europe, there is a very small, a very tiny state which is known as Albania. Albania is the only Muslim state in Europe. So that's why Europe is not known as the non-Muslim continent. In Europe, we have only Albania, which is the Muslim state. Then the last continent of the world is Australia. I hope you people understand the location of continents and oceans. We have done the location of oceans twice and continents once. So I want to repeat the continents location again. This is North America, red color. This is South America, then Antarctica, where no human being live. This is continent Asia, the largest continent where most of the people live. This is continent Europe, continent Africa, and continent Australia. 7 continents in the world and 5 oceans in the world. I hope you people understand. Allah Hafiz, take care.